unit advance.
Yes, sir. Captain, I have orders to execute Lariat and
Lieutenant, we are executing Lariat advance.
You're executing Lariat advance.
Execute Lariat
Yes,
advance.
Lariat advance.
All units,
We are
all units.
executing Lariat advance.
Execute Lariat advance.
There was no particular time of day. I mean, they weren't shy about waking us up at 3, 4 in the morning and having us go out for the alert.
You'd hear the alarm go off, you were about half asleep, and then we'd jump out of bed, we'd go in our clothes as fast as we could. We never knew when the Soviets were coming across the border.
Organized chaos. I mean, everybody's going, every which way, but everybody's got a mission to do and everybody knows what to do.
Now wait, before you go, make sure to follow and subscribe, and if you can, come visit. See you next time.